How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. And Walter wants to thank you all for his birthday wishes. He's back there on the phone talking to one of my daughters. Okay, today I have an unboxing of a very nice leather RFID wallet I got from Amazon. So it came in this package. It's just stuck in between the screen and the door. Then I got a notification that my package had been delivered. So I said, let me go look. So it's stuck in the door. Okay, this kind of box it comes in. That's the name of it. So I can't pronounce it. Bveyzi. That's the way it comes packaged up. Packed it up very nicely. I got purple. I like color. Okay, let me lower this thing down. Okay, this is the one I had. Look at this. And it's not leather. I bought it because it had a lot of compartments and I like the color. I love color. But it's raggedy. And so now I'm going to transfer all my stuff into this. And this is supposed to be able to hold an iPhone. Okay. Let me show you. That's the way it comes. Okay, I'm not going to be using this as a wristlet. No. I can unloop that. Okay, it has a space for an ink pen. I like that. Because I can't never find a pen in my purse. Even though I know I got several. Place for my driver's license. A whole lot of credit card, debit card slots. Look at all those. Has slots on this side. This is leather. It has a slot for the money, bills. It has a slot, a zippered pouch for coins. This is where the phone fits. Let me see if my cell phone fits in here. Yeah, it fits. Will it still close up? Yes, it will close up. Okay. Nice. I like purple. Okay, what else it got? Like I said, it has the RF. What is that? RFID blocking. Oh, here it is. This is an IF. Try to get this out of here. Where the license goes. Okay, it's an RFID blocking wallet. See there? So that means can't nobody come up beside you and put their little scanning device near you and steal all your credit card information. They're supposed to block it. Natural cowhide leather. Well, I like it. Okay, I just want to tell you of this. And I got this on Amazon. So why is this little piece here? What is that for? I don't know. Okay, well, I really like it, so I'm going to have fun transferring my stuff from this one to this. So that's all I want to show you, and I'll leave a link to this wallet down in the description box. It has nice sturdy zipper pulls. Look at that. And this one in here is a little smaller. It looks nice and sturdy. If it breaks, I'll just get another one. Send it back and get another one. Okay. Okay. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Leave a nice comment. Give me 2 thumbs up. And y'all subscribe to my channel. Okay, be blessed. Bye.